What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on the front of the vehicle. We're going to be swapping out the fog light, Bezel, however you say it, and we're going to be switching it out with the SubiSpeed version. Let's take a look. Already unboxed it over here. So these are the SubiSpeed fog light bezels with DRL and sequential turn signals. In the box, got some wire taps, zip ties, wire harness, and I see the fuses already on there, which is great. And front and right. Over here, this is something we'll take a look at later. So pretty simple. SubiSpeed has a video showing that you can do this with the bumper on, but I'm going to remove the bumper just to make life easier and to make sure I run the wires correctly. So taking off this bumper, extremely simple. Well, I don't know about extremely, but it's simple. Bolts, clips up top. You got another push clip here, and underneath some more clips. So let me remove the bumper and we'll get started. I swear, these are the best clips in the world. You just press it in and it comes out. Why couldn't they put these clips everywhere? Alright, put this up here so I can get better leverage. Again, these two have to come out for the park, not the park, for the turn signal. And to get the bezel out, just get your hands in here and yank. There you go. So once you remove those nuts, there's a clip right here. Focus. Clip right here, and one underneath. Right there. Squeeze those in. And it pops right out. There we go. We're gonna put these on. You want to get the front end first, then clip in the back. And the wire will go right through there. Quick wipe down, never hurts. I know I wanted to keep this on, but nice and simple. Fitment looks good. I think I need to press it in some more, but not bad. The inside, here's our wire, clips all around. Yeah, I gotta push this in some more. Okay, let me do the other side. Alright, now we have both sides in. Let's take a look. Looks pretty damn good. Fitment is good. And I like how the gloss matches the gloss on the grill. Okay, now to tackle the wiring. Alright guys, so here's the wiring laid out, pretty much how I'm gonna put it into the car. So we got this end, and these plugs just plug right back into your factory clips. And over here, this is the fuse. Now we're gonna run into the fuse box. I'll show you that in a second. And we got a ground wire, and the end of both sides have, so these are the switches on both ends that SubiSpeed adds on. You can either have standard blinking indicators or sequential indicators. Okay, let me run these in and I'll show you what plugs into what. Bulb, and we need to just press this in, pull the bulb out. Simple. And on the harness, it will be this one. So the male end, it only goes in one way, so kind of hard to screw that up. Alright, we're gonna hide our wires. This will be plugged into the back of the bezel, and this is our switch, which we will just run it through here so I can have access. And I'll figure out where I'm gonna hide that in a second. So let me tidy up these wires. I already did the same thing on this side. So let me tidy up these wires and zip tie them. Then we'll plug it in and see what happens. Alright guys, so this is the driver's side. You come along here. Comes with this fuse. Now we gotta break off or clip off this one right here, this bottom piece, because we're gonna be plugging it into right here, this top one. So it'll go in like that. In order to do that, we gotta crimp this off. So let me cut that off right now, then we'll put that in. Okay. Now with that off, that'll plug right in here. And then we're gonna feed the wire down and around. Okay. Now this negative we're gonna put on right here onto the terminal. Alright, so got the fuse box closed up, got the negative connected. I'm gonna clean up the wire in a bit. Let's test it out to see if it works. Alright, we got hazards. Two, sequential. There we go. So, as you see, sequential is on the driver's side, standard flashing on the left. I like the sequential, so let's switch it over. So, there's our trusty switch. It's that simple. There we go. Awesome. Alright guys, there you have it. Final product. Got the sequentials on, and it came out pretty excellent. I say level of difficulty on this one is maybe a 3 out of 10. Not hard at all. Pretty straightforward. Plug and play, no cutting wires. Great product. Fit is great. And yeah, that'll do it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. What's going on, guys? So I thought we were done, but it turns out we weren't. I realized this is the next day. Well, it's actually like 2 days later. I realized that after the install, when I drove off, I started getting hyper blinking. Now it's funny, with the handbrake up, the light works perfect. Once you release the handbrake, not so much. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is with the handbrake up. Light functions perfect. everything works good. Now, as soon as I release the handbrake, you can see the fog bezel is spazzing out and I'm getting hyper blinking up top. Never had that before. So, what I found out, this right here will solve the problem. You can get this on SubiSpeed for like 12-13 bucks, or you can go on Amazon. I got this for like 9 bucks on Amazon. This just swaps right out. It's right under the steering column. I'll show you guys in a second. But the issue is when you put LEDs on a non-LED car, it spazzes out. So this little thing right here should fix it and remedy it. So let me show you where this goes. First things first, you got to get this panel off, because if I'm correct, it sits right in this area. So we're going to pop this off. There should be 2 screws, and we'll pull this down and get a better look. Alright, put the panel off. Just got 1 screw right here. We'll take that out. See if I can change. And then you just pry it gently down. Alright, here it is. Here's your fuse box, and to the right of it, there it is. So we need to unplug that and plug our new, I don't even know what you call this, module. We'll stick with module for now. Plug that right in. So let me try to pull that out. So there we have it. This is the factory one, and everything looks pretty much the same. So we'll just transfer this clip that holds it in over to this one and pop it right back in. That's it. Let's plug this back in. Now, before we put all this back together, let's test. So, start the car up. Let's check it out. So far, looks good on the inside. Bingo. As we can see, handbrake's down, and it works perfect now. Yep, even inside, blinks normal. Perfect. Oh. Alright, let's put this back together. Alright guys, that'll do it for today. Came out awesome. So happy with the outcome of this, and highly recommend it. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.